How to make money by typing online. It sounds pretty exciting, doesn't it? All you need is just a laptop, a decent internet connection, and you're good to go. All you have to do is do some typing and you can earn some money. Today I'm going to show you a platform that can assist you to earn some money just from typing online. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Rupesh, and this channel, along with my website passiveincomeforall.com, is to serve you. It's to help you to find the best ways to making money online. Look, I always believe that when you sign up for a business opportunity, it can go in one of three ways. The first way it can go is that if you sign up for it, it can waste your time and be a complete scam. The second way is that it can be a legit opportunity, but the problem is this opportunity will demand from you to work on a consistent basis. So in other words, you have to be active all the time in order to earn money. And then the third way that a business opportunity can go is that it can help you to build yourself a passive income. So in other words, you can put in your efforts initially and then you can earn income as time goes by. So that's what this channel is all about. It's to show you the best ways that's most suitable for you to earn an income online. So if it's your first time by my channel, a very warm welcome to you. Please go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on the latest workings within the online world. So let's carry on with this review on finding you a way where you can earn some money by typing online. I want to talk to you about where you can earn money by typing is called transcribeme.com. So transcribeme.com, this is what the site looks like. The best in human intelligence, transcription, translation, data, annotation. So basically, what is Transcribe Me all about? Now, they are a service or a platform where they offer a service to anyone who wants their video or the audio files to be transcribed. So what does transcribe mean? Transcribe simply means that if you send them one of your audio or video files, then they will get the people who are working for them to convert these audio or video files into a worded document. And basically that's where you will be earning money as a transcriptionist, where they send you the audio documents and you just gotta convert that into a worded document and you get paid for that service. Now, before I get into the nitty-gritty and show you how you can earn money as a transcriptionist, let me just talk to you and explain to you how this works. You see, I've actually used a transcribing service before, and I've used rev.com, and I needed some audio files to be transcribed. It was about 6 to 8 audio files, and I sent it through to them, and within half an hour they send it back to me. I mean, within half a day, sorry, they send the audio files back to me, and it was all in worded documents. And I was quite amazed with their service, and I think for those 7 or 8 files that I sent through them, I had to pay around 39 or 40 bucks or something of that sort. So that's how a transcription service works. Now let's take a look and see how you can earn with Transcribe Me. Back here at the site, so we are back here at the site. So if you want to find out how to earn, you just simply click on here, or how to join as a transcriptionist, where it says join as a transcriptionist, and then the site here would come up. Choose a service. Alright, so here we are. Become a paid transcriptionist today. Transcribe audio and video files into high quality text. You can join the team, and they're the top rated best work from home site. They have endorsements from some big brands over here. We offer the opportunity to be part of our unique community at one of the best transcription companies and create lasting connections. What do we offer? We pay more than anyone. We have the industry's best rates, with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour, and top monthly earnings at $2,200. The average monthly earnings are $250. Now, check this out. If you have experience within the medical and legal environments, then you can qualify for a higher pay rate. There are some testimonials on the site as well. Transcribe Me offers a steady work stream all year round and the most competitive pay scale of all competing service providers, growth and learning opportunities. They also allow you to climb within the business by developing your skills and growing to higher paying projects. So the more you work for them and the more you show that you're doing your job, the more you can earn higher paying jobs, I suppose. If you dedicate yourself and put in the time and effort, you can move up the company fairly quickly. There's more testimonials. No experience or upfront investments with a leading work from home employer. And then there's some more testimonials. And then they offer you freedom and flexibility. Transcribe short 1 to 2 minute clips, not long interviews. And when complete, our system sends micro tasks to transcribe. There is no limit to how many can be processed at once. And then they have a transcription portal, which is their online training program that will take you to the process on how to go about applying for transcriptionist jobs. You also have to take an exam to prove your accuracy, and finally they pay regularly and securely via PayPal. Great. Now let's take a look at their frequently asked comment sections. How does Transcribe Me work? Basically, this is the breakdown. The client submits their audio files, then this file is split, and depending on the average, it's between 10 seconds and 1 minute. Then these chunks are made available to the transcriptionists, which are folks like you and I. And then once all of these pieces are then transcribed, they are joined together and they're passed then to the QA department, which then assesses whether it's up to scratch. And then finally, the file goes to the customer for a review. If you want to join Transcribe Me, there is a link on the website where you can register your account. There's also a short video that takes you to the process on how to go about signing up for them. As for the equipment, you only need a stable internet reliable connection. A reliable internet connection, and they suggest a laptop or desktop. And then any fees to sign up, it's absolutely free to sign up with them. And I remember I told you about the English exam. Now that's something that I want to tell you that's really cool about this platform, is that once you pass, then you will hear from them within the 12 business days. But if you don't pass, then they have multiple attempts which is available for each test. And this is why I say this is a cool part, because there are various other platforms, transcription platforms, where once you fail the test, then you're not allowed to attempt to register again with that company. So in other words, you have to look elsewhere for transcription jobs. And then the monies are paid via PayPal, as I showed you earlier on. And the cool part is you are able to withdraw each week to a nominated PayPal account. As for the minimum amount of hours, they have flexibility, and they say they have no minimum or maximum number of hours. If there is work available, unfortunately, we are not able to guarantee work. The taxes, that's standard, and then you need to be 18 years of age. So that in a nutshell is how Transcribe Me works. Okay, let's now take a look and see whether folks are happy with using the Transcribe Me service. And then I'm going to talk to you about 2 things that I think are not so favorable about Transcribe Me. But first, let's check out those reviews. Okay, so here we are at trustpilot.com, and this is a third-party review site. Transcribe Me scored an average of 4.6 out of 5, and they have about 64 reviews. And 83% of these reviews were excellent, 9% great, 3% average and poor, and then 2% were bad. So overall, it's not too bad. Now let's talk about those 2 things that I'm not too happy about Transcribe Me. The 2 things that I would like to highlight are, number 1, the statement here, we are not able to guarantee work on a daily basis. And number 2, the earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour. Okay, so let's talk about the first thing. The first thing is at $15 to $22 per audio hour. Now, take note that that money is not billed per amount of hours that you're going to be working. Let's say, for instance, that they send you a 2-minute audio track to transcribe. So you will only be billed for 2 minutes according to their pay rate. Even if it takes you 5 hours or 6 hours to transcribe a 2-minute audio file, you will only be billed for that 2-minute part of that audio hour. Do you get what I'm saying? So in other words, you can spend a whole day even transcribing a half an hour or even a 10-minute audio track, but you won't be paid for that half a day or 5 hours, the amount of hours that you physically put into it. And then the second thing is, there is no guarantee of jobs. So even though you sign up, even though you pass the exams, there's no guarantee that at the end of the day that you will get jobs on a consistent basis. So why am I telling you this? Well, you're looking for a way to make money from typing online. The way I see it is, if you're going to put all of your time, all of your efforts and all of your energy into making money just from typing, then why not put all of that into building your very own online business? And the reason why I'm saying that is because I personally am using a method, and I've been using it since 2016, to earn money just from typing online. The great part is that it's towards my own online business or my own websites, and you can build a business based on something that you are passionate about. So in other words, you can type about something that you are passionate about or that you have any interest. It's completely newbie friendly, so even if you are brand new into the online business, you can get started. The great part is it also affords you the flexibility, so if you have a current job at the moment, you can work on the side at building your own online business while you still have your work commitments. But I think the best benefit is that it will offer you passive income potential. So it will come to a point where you are earning money after having putting all your efforts initially, and that you can't do with these kind of jobs. Look, I'm not putting Transcribe Me off, but I'm giving you the other option. So if you like to learn on how to create your own passive income online, please go ahead and click on the link in the video description below this video, and I will show you more, not only on how you can get started, but I will help you along the way. So that concludes our review on how you can make money from typing online. I hope that it has helped you out, and I hope it has given you a better picture on what is required of you to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, because I look forward to checking out in my next video. And thank you so much for joining me. Wish you everything of the best in your online future. Do take care and be safe.